Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to generate same character in Leonardo AI. So first thing that you will do is simply go to Leonardo AI and just simply sign in into your account. And once you are signed in, just simply scroll down on the left side over here and just simply go for image creation. From here, guys, just simply go ahead and select a preset over here that you prefer. Let's say I'm gonna go for anime. And now from here, guys, just simply type from here, guys, just simply go ahead and type a prompt and click on generate over here. So now once you have your character, you can just simply go ahead and save the image over here, download image. And from here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and click on this icon over here. And now just simply go for character reference over here. Create a consistent character by providing a reference image. So guys, when you click on this, just simply upload the picture that we just downloaded. And from there, you will have your character reference. And since it requires me to have a pro account, I won't be able to show you. But if you do, you can just simply go ahead and use this feature over here. And after that, once you have a picture, you will have an option over here to change it to whatever you like, and you can just simply generate another one. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.